Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. One of my favorite coin among top 50 cryptocurrencies and tokens because it gives us a lot of trading opportunities by forming the different patterns. And recently, it formed a big harmonic pattern on the weekly time frame chart that I shared on 7th of July at the Patreon for my members, and I also shared with you as well in my previous video. And before this pattern, it also formed another very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern. First, I'm going to show you these two patterns, and then I'll take you to the live chart and show you what the price line can do next. And this is the recent pattern that I shared in my previous video with you as well. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, this was the bullish harmonic Gartley pattern that was formed on the weekly time frame. And I'm just going to open up this chart. And you can see that the price line was entered the buying zone at that time. Before this, we had this bullish harmonic cipher pattern that I also shared here in this video as well. And let me show you first this chart. This is the bullish harmonic cipher pattern. This is the chart, and you can see at that time the price line was completing this final leg of the bullish harmonic cipher pattern on the 2-day chart. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action moved at the very end of this buying zone here. That was 0.999 cents, approximately $1, and rallied up to 1.69 dollars. That is more than 69% rally. And recently that I shared, this was a pattern that was a bullish harmonic Gartley move that is formed on the weekly time frame chart. And this pattern I shared on 7th of July. You can see the date here. And we also had a very nice support of 50 simple moving average as well. Therefore, I suggested my members that we can also use this 50 simple moving average support as our stop loss to minimize the risk factor. Now, I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action moved down and tested this 50 simple moving average support, and again rallied up, and so far it has surged more than 65%. However, I'm expecting that it can produce more profit and more powerful bullish rally because this is a very big bullish harmonic reversal move, and the price line has also broken out this very big falling wedge pattern as well. And this was the pattern that I also shared in my previous video with you as well, that the price action at that time was moving in this falling wedge. And here we can see that the price action after breaking out this wedge here tested this previous resistance of the wedge as a support. That was the confirmation for the breakout, and again a rally towards the upside. As per the technical target of the falling wedge, that can be the tail of this falling wedge here. We can expect that the price action can at least reach up to this level, that is approximately here at $1.8. Now at this time the price line has broken out. If we take a look at the simple moving averages on this same daily time frame chart, then the price action after testing this support as a previous resistance as a support broke out the 25 simple moving average here, and then 50, and this red one is the 100, and now it is breaking out the 200 simple moving average as well. That is a very bullish signal because the 200 simple moving average works as a very strong resistance, especially on the daily time frame. And here we have also received the bull cross between the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, and now the 25 and 50 both are moving up to form the bull cross with the 100 simple moving average as well. But the real bull cross will be between 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and that will be a golden cross, and that is considered to be a very powerful buying or bullish signal among the traders community. And after that, this golden cross can work as a very long-term and strong support for the price line as well. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, this is a weekly time frame chart now, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 major support and resistance levels. It is also possible that there will be more support and resistance levels on the smaller time frame. I'm just going to show you some major support and resistance levels on the long-term weekly time frame. And here we had a very strong and key level support at 75 cents. You can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well, and here so many times it has worked as a very strong support. And now the price action after testing this support several times, it has surged more than 65%, and now it is breaking out this 25 simple moving average. This blue one is the 25 simple moving average resistance on the weekly time frame. And previously here you can see while the price line was testing this key support at 75 cents, it also tested the 50 simple moving average as well. As I already showed you in my this pattern as well, that we also had a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Therefore, I suggested my members to use this 50 simple moving average as its stop loss, because this was a really very strong support on the weekly time frame. And finally, the price action has bounced by this 50 simple moving average, and this key level support broke out the next resistance of $1. That was also very strong resistance. You can see previously it has been breaking at the resistance here as well, and now it is breaking out this 25 simple moving average resistance, and at the same time it is also trying to break out this next resistance, the price level resistance of $1.15, and previously this resistance level has been working as a very nice support here as well. Then we will have the next resistance at $1.5 here. You can see that it has been breaking as a resistance here and here and here as well. Therefore, it can again work as a strong resistance. Then we will have the next resistance at $1.8. However, if we take a look at the target, our technical target for this falling wedge is $1.8. Therefore, there is a strong possibility that this rally will be continued. Maybe we will have some correction, but this rally can be continued and it can hit the sell target of this falling wedge pattern that is approximately at $1.8. Now, if we switch to the small time frame on the hourly time frame chart to see what the price line is doing on the smaller time frame, then here you can see that it is moving very well in an up channel. Like if I place this regression tool here, and it will automatically form an up channel for us, and it will show us what the price line, how the price line is moving in this up channel. We can make it more refined by placing the trend lines here. Then we can see that this is the resistance of the channel, and we have so many touch points here, and we have several touch points here at the support as well. So on the smaller time frame, it is moving in an up channel, and on the bigger time frame, on the daily time frame chart, it has broken out this resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and the price line has also started a very big bullish reversal from this harmonic bullish reversal a Gardley pattern. And the technical targets which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gardley, that those targets are from $1.7 and goes to $1.57. So these targets are met. However, I'm expecting that the price line will reach at this level, that is the tail of this triangle, this falling wedge, that is $1.8, and this is exactly the same level where we have this our resistance of $1.8. That will be a very strong resistance. If it will be broken out, then there will be a very massive rally after breaking out $1.8. So I'm expecting that a move up to $1.8 is quite confirmed now. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can join me here using the link I have shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.